In this exciting video today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Rev.com, which includes what is Rev, how to sign up, how much you can get paid, and how it works step by step. So if this is something you're interested in doing, make sure you keep watching until the very end of this video. And speaking of staying to the very end of this video, if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus opportunity to make big money online. And let's dive in straight into the video. So if you don't know what Rev is, so Rev is a basic platform where you convert audio and video to text form. So basically, if you do transcription or caption, you'll get both paid $1.25 per minute that you caption your videos on caption, and transcription you capture audio and video to text form. Now the reason why I'm going to use this platform here because this is a well-trusted platform where over six-figure customers across the any industry has used, such as like CBS, PBS, and TCM. And another benefit of using Rev.com is they're also going to give you a Rev voice recorder, and it's built for you to build yourself and build more comfortable with this platform. They're using it to be able to make money. So you can simply download it on your phone, on Android or iPhone. And by the way, make sure to comment down below what type of phone you're using so I can help you make more money online. And this is how the transcription process works for this platform. So on this platform right here, what you're going to do is that you're going to send your file, and there's 3 easy ways to send your files to Rev. So you can upload your files from your computer, or you can share a public URL link, or you can automatically upload with their API system. And this is a big important thing how this works as well, because you see right here it says Rev maintain 99% accuracy standards. So what this means is that you're going to have to be very accurate when you're converting audio to text form, or audio from video to text form, because if you do that, you'll be able to make more money. Now if you're not very accurate on this platform, you will not make a lot of money on this platform. So this is why they're telling you up front that you need to be 99% accurate. And then also you're going to receive your files and subscription based off the delivery. They have 2 types of delivery, which is a standard delivery, which is 12 hours from most files under 30 minutes. And they also have a rush delivery, which is 4 hours for most files for less than 30 minutes. So either one of the deliveries you'll get on this platform. And to simply get started on this platform, what you want to do, scroll to the bottom screen until you see right here about Rev, and you go right here to freelancers to start this work from home job. And then once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right here. You can basically be your own boss. So you can work a flexible schedule whenever you want to, and they have hundreds and hundreds of different jobs available around the world. And then you also get paid weekly via PayPal once you complete your work with Rev.com. And to simply get started, you go right here to sign up for your first name, last name, your email address, and click right here what business you want to choose, and then what country you come from. And whatever country you come from, make sure to comment down below, because I'm also going to help you make more money online in your area. So make sure to comment down your country below. And this is how much you can expect to make with Rev.com. So on average, you can expect to make at least $15 per hour on just based on your experience. Now, so what this means is that if you transcribe at least a 25-minute video, you can expect to earn anywhere between $7.50 to $27.50 per video audio file. Just depends on your skill level. Now, this is a bonus tool that I'm going to give you that always can improve your skills so you can make more money on this platform. And that tool is called Ratatype.com. So this platform is going to help you type faster. And if you want to take a typing test, what you simply would do is you would go right here to typing test, and they're going to have a typing tutor that's going to teach you all the ins and outs how to type and get faster with your typing skills on this platform. And you can take a free writing test, and you simply go from there and improve your skills. Now, the second way I want to show you how you can make money online with Rev.com is that you can basically become a Rev affiliate to make money online with Rev.com. So what this means is that you're going to basically promote Rev.com as affiliate marketer to be able to make money. So you're going to get a URL link, a URL link that's for you only, and you're going to promote it on social media platforms, maybe like on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, to be able to make money. So to get started on this platform, what you would do is go right here to apply. And then from here, what you want to do is you're going to go right here to join for free now, and enter your language, your country you come from, your email address, your password, and confirm password again. And click right here, you're not a robot, and verify your email. And then once you have done that, you're going to get signed up to the website, and you're going to get your URL link to promote with Rev.com. Now, once you get your link, you want to use a traffic source, maybe like Facebook groups, for example, to be able to make money online with affiliate marketing with Rev.com. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to type in search bar here, transcription, because we're talking about transcribing on Rev.com to be able to make money, right? So in order to do this, what you want to do from here is you want to go right here to Facebook groups, and want to find Facebook groups that's related to transcription, such as like all about transcription, this private group for 7,000 members, or maybe translation job worldwide, or maybe like translation transcription subtitle job right here. So you want to join these private and public groups and promote your link online. So let's say example, I'm gonna choose this one right here for this example purpose. And then from here, what you would do is you will create a post with your affiliate link, and you will go right here to write something, and you'll type in the line, say, hey, if you're interested in making money with a translation job or want an extra income from working from home, try this translation job online. And then from there, you'll put in your affiliate link, and you copy and paste that link you get from rev.com, and you put in your link, and you'll post it to Facebook, and then you get hundreds of traffic. Now, since you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus way how you can make $891 per day from the comfort of your own home and from your laptop. Now, this way right here is going to allow you to escape your 9 to 5, allow you to be your own boss, and allow you to live life on your own terms, so you can do whatever you want to or whenever you want to on your own terms. So make sure to click the link in my description. It will be the first link there to help you make money online doing a simple secret method online. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure to check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And now remember, be the boss, don't get boss.